Hey guys, so let's create a Google My Business account, right? So if you want to create your Google My Business account, the first thing you do is to come to your Chrome app, right? Whether on PC or on your phone, then on your search bar you just search for Google My Business, right? You click on Google My Business, then this place will pop up. When this pops up, what you have to do is to click on either the first one here that you can see on my screen, this or this, right? So when you've done that, I'm just going to click here. When you click on it, this is what you're going to get. Manage now. Then you click on manage now. This is a page that is going to pop up. Then you click on manage now. When you click on manage now, it takes you here for you to create a business account. If you don't have a business account for a fresher or for a starter, right, you have to click on this plus button and click on add a business. When you click on add a business, here you search for your business name, and you know for instance, I'm using new name you name fabrics, right? Jewelry. Mm. Then business category, I can say fashion. Is there jewelry here? Let me see. Okay, jewelry designer, jewelry exporter, manufacturer, repairer. Which one is even the best? Jewelry store, jeweler. Who is a jeweler? Oh, click on jewelry store. What next? I click on next. After you've filled in your name, you've chosen your category. Your category comes as a result of the kind of niche you are operating on, or the kind of products and services you are selling. Let's say you deal in cars, right? You can say vehicle, this vehicle dealer now. Then if you, let's say you deal with building materials, or I don't know, real estate, you can just do real estate agents or anyone like that. So the next thing you do is to click on next. Come here and ask you, do you want to add a location where customers can visit, like a store or an office? You can decide to say yes, you can decide to say no. If your business has a physical location, you can click yes. If it does not have a physical location, you can then say no. For this business, it has a physical location, so I'm going to click yes. Then the next thing is to fill in my address. So right now I'm just going to pause this video while I fill in these details. You fill in your address, your country, your street address, your local government, your city, your postal code, your state, right? So I'm just going to pause this. All right, so I've fixed in the address. Then this is the next page it brought us to. Then I'm going to click next. Then here it says, do you provide deliveries or home and office visits, right? For a business which has a location, you can say yes. If you don't, you can say no. If you don't have a, if you don't provide all of this delivery as well, you can say no, right? For me, it is a yes. Click next. Then add areas you serve. This is optional. These are areas where you want your businesses to be. Do you want your business to be restricted to maybe a people within your geopolitical zone? Like, say, for instance, people, if you're in Lagos, you want to serve people in Lagos or a particular area in Lagos, right? Or if you are in what is it called now? What's it called? If you are in Abuja, you want to serve a particular people in Abuja. Before I forgot, I actually missed something out, right? I'm gonna go back to it. But here is something you can say, okay, people in, for instance, Africa. or you can leave it as that and say next, right? Then say, what contacts do you want do you want to show your customers? That's your phone number and your website. Your website is optional, right? Here I'm gonna just put in my phone number. So I'm just gonna pause this video. If you have a website link, you can put probably your WhatsApp. This place that says WhatsApp. If you don't have a website, right? Maybe you have a Telegram link or your WhatsApp link that you can just put it here. It doesn't necessarily have to be a website like design and all. You can put in your WhatsApp link here or your Telegram link, right? So I'm just gonna pause this video and do that. So after that, this is the page it takes you to. And it's showing there here that this page has been verified. If your page is not verified, after you might have done all of these things right, you can now, just wait for like a couple of days for your Google account to be verified. Then the next thing you do is you click next. Then you can now decide to fill in these places later. Add business hours, open, 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 next. Yeah, I forgot to add it. But I believe you get the idea, right? Just fill in all of this. Maybe like 8 a.m. to 6 p.m. Well, I'll have to fix in this later, so I'm gonna skip. Then add description of my business. Here you can add a description like new name, new name, is it jewelry? Right now, can't remember. By a fashion accessory store for all your needs. Something like that. Just put something, with certain keywords that people can actually use to reach out to you. All right. Um, Click next. Then you can now decide to add photos. Do I have photos I can add? Let me see. Oh, it's taking time. Mm, Looking for download. Okay. There's some. So just click next. And that's it. Yeah. Please claim your $300 advertising credit is for when you want to run ads, right? You want to run ads, but you can't claim it like that. You have to pay to claim it. So we are just gonna skip this step, and it's a get a custom email address and premium features to elevate your business. Skip as well. Then your edit will be visible once you are verified, right? So once I'm verified, all my edits will be visible. If you're not verified, it will not be visible. So you have to wait for your account to be verified. Sometimes it can take a week, like I said before. It can take, depending on how you set up your profile, it can take time for you to verify. But sometimes it can take just 24 hours or 48 hours for your account to be verified. Then I click continue. All right, that's it. New name. It has the blue logo mark. It means that it has been verified. Am I right? It's having the blue logo mark. It means it has been verified. All right, that's it for that.